Finding affordable childcare can be a challenge. In fact, the National Child Care Association says it has become a crisis. The organization says parents are struggling to find affordable care as the industry's workforce shrinks. Fox's Austin Westfall is in Charlotte, North Carolina tonight, where he spoke with a local child development center. Austin, what do they say is causing this problem?
So, Tom, the big problem here is pay. Speaking with several child care workers around town, one of them told me that their 17-year-old son who works at a coffee shop is making money comparable to that of a child care worker who has a master's degree. Take a listen.
And that's difficult when you have the choice of working here and taking care of children or going to a local fast food restaurant, getting the same amount of pay.
Out of over 1,000 occupations tracked by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, child care worker salaries ranked 15th lowest as of 2021. That's the most recent data available. It's making things tough for places like the Charlotte Child Development Center.
It's just very difficult to keep care affordable when you are looking at raising an entry-level pay as high as you have to do it to get people to come in the door and then stay.
We see that parents and families are facing childcare prices that are too far out of reach.
The most recent data from Child Care Aware of America says that people are paying an average more than $10,000 a year for childcare. They say that's a 5% increase over the year before.
There's a real case here for additional public investment to help make sure that we can raise compensation for educators.
In August, President Biden signed the CHIPS and Science Act, which is mostly meant to boost U.S. manufacturing of semiconductor chips. But the bill also requires companies applying for federal money to also have a plan to provide access to affordable childcare for their workers. HedgePath says that we need more of this.
Let's get resources into the system, just like we do with our schools, to make sure that we have enough supply to meet the demand.
Now, some states are still offering pandemic-era grants to child care services. That way they can bolster the industry in certain states. But that money could be running out as soon as the end of this year. It, in most cases, is federal money. So once that money does run out, experts anticipate that the cost of child care could go up in the near future. Back to you.